Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve AI not working on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve AI not working on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and we click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Snapchat and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.